Very good morning, boys. Welcome to Sri Ramakrishna Vidyashala. I am J. Naveen Kumar. My initial is JNK. I am taking social science for you. Today, I am here with a very important chapter from the branch of geography. That is the first chapter, the Earth, our living planet. Let us we all have a discussion on this topic, the Earth, our living planet. Dear students, as we all know, we are the part of this Earth. That means we are living on this planet. Earth is the only planet in our solar system where life exists. Earth play a very important role for life supporting elements. It is the third planet in our solar system from the distance to the sun. Mercury, Venus, Earth. It is the third planet to the sun. And it is the fifth largest planet in our solar system. Third nearest planet to the sun and fifth largest planet in our solar system. Earth is a home for all forms of living creatures like plants, animals, as well as a human being. What makes the life possible on this earth? It is because of its suitable distance from the sun, life supporting gases like oxygen, range of temperature, as I told you, suitable distance from the sun or the range of temperature, life supporting gases, water cycle, all these elements made life possible on this planet. Yes, our earth is called by different names. What are those? Number one, we call this earth as a unique planet. It is unique because it is the only planet in our solar system where life exists. It is also called it as watery planet. Watery planet because earth 71% covers water. And it is also called it as blue planet. From the space, if you see, it looks blue. So therefore, Earth we call it as unique planet, watery planet, and as well as a blue planet. You can also call the Earth is a living planet because of life existence. So these are the important points that we need to focus or that we need to keep in mind, dear students. Next, coming to a very important thing, size of the earth, size and shape of the earth. What is the size of the earth and in what shape you can see this earth? Let us we have a discussion on this. Yes, before I start with this, what are the concepts that just we have completed? You can take a note on that. Important points to be note down to your book. Number one, Earth is the only planet where life exists. Where life exists. Number two, Earth is the third nearest planet to sun. Third nearest planet to sun and fifth largest planet in solar system. fifth largest planet in our solar system. Yes. Living creatures can be seen on this planet because of various factors or various elements. Life can be possible in this planet because of one, suitable temperature, because of suitable temperature, life supporting gases, life supporting gases, and water cycle, and water cycle. All these factors made life possible on this planet. As I told you, we call Earth with so many names. Earth is called by many names. What are those? It is called as living planet, unique planet, unique planet, blue planet, and watery planet. Yes, dear students, this is what our Earth play a very important role for the life support on it. So these are the points that you need to keep in mind as an introduction, and now we shall move on to a very important concept under the same. It is all about size and shape of the Earth. You can pause the video and you can take down the points on the board, what I have written. And now move on to the next important concept, size and shape of our Earth. Yes. Coming to this, size. First we shall have a discussion on the part size. You know, Earth consists of both land and water bodies. It consists of both land and water bodies. As I told you, Earth is the fifth largest planet in our solar system. The diameter of the Earth is, I can compare to these two things. The diameter of the Earth is approximately 4 times bigger than the Moon. The diameter of the Earth is 4 times bigger than the Moon and 107 times smaller than the Sun. It is 4 times bigger than the Moon, 107 times smaller than the Sun. This is how we can compare our Earth with Sun and Moon. Yes. Coming to the what is the total geographical area of the earth? It is 510 million square kilometer. It is 510 million square kilometers. This is the total geographical area of earth, out of which, as I told you earlier, we have both land as well as the water bodies. The major part of our earth contains water bodies, so therefore 361 million square kilometer contains water and remaining 149 million square kilometer that contains land. So this is a very important point that you need to keep in mind. I'll write the entire thing. What is the size of the earth? Earth is the 5th largest planet. It is 107 times smaller than Earth. 107 times smaller than Earth, or we can also say like this, 4 times greater than the moon and around 107 times lesser than the sun. We can say 7, instead of saying smaller, you can use a better word, 107 times lesser than a sun. It is 100 times lesser than a sun, and it is 4 times. It is 4 times larger than moon. It is 4 times larger than moon. Yes, dear students, this is the comparison of our earth to sun and moon. It is 107 times lesser than the sun, 4 times more than the moon. Coming to the total geographical area. Total geographical area. The total geographical area of the earth is 510 million square kilometer. 510 million square kilometer, out of which 361 million square kilometer contains water. Rest, that is 149 million square kilometer contains land. This is the size of our earth. This is the size of our earth. In general, when we say instead of 361 million square kilometers or 149 million kilometers, you can convert this to a percentage. You can say that what is the water content or the water percentage, that is 70.78%. 70.78% that contains water, and rest, that is 29.22% contains land. It contains land. To round up, we say 71% of water and 29% of land. But if you want to go with the exact numerical number, that is 70.78, 29.22%. So this is the total geographical area of our earth, that is 510 million square kilometer. Contains 361 million square kilometer contains water. Rest 149 million square kilometer contains land masses, and out of which 70.78%, that is 78%, that is water, and 29.22% contains land. So these are the points that you need to keep in mind, dear students. We have unequal distribution of land and water. The water is more, land is less. Okay. Now after this, we shall move on to the next concept, that is a shape. We shall have a discussion on the concept shape. Now coming to the shape of our earth. What is the shape of our earth? So many, from past so many decades or the centuries, we believed that the earth is round in shape. We believed that the earth is round in shape, but we came to know that the shape of the earth is not a round. Somewhere around in 1970s, we came to know that the shape of the earth is not a round. It is a shape called by the name geoid. What do you mean by geoid shape? What actually the geoid means? Geoid, it is a kind of a shape where it flattened at the poles, bulged at the equator. The earth not exactly round how you demarcate with the compass. No, it is not exact round. The shape of the earth is a geoid shape. Let us we see the shape of the earth, how it looks. I'll write that side. Coming to the shape. It is geoid, G-E-O-I-D, geoid shape. Sometimes we also call it as a spherical shape. Okay, it is better, it's a geographical terminology. When we are reading the subject geography, it is very important to use the same word, the same terminology, geoid. Okay, how this shape looks like. So this is the shape of the earth, that is geoid shape. It is not completely round, it is bulged at the equator, compressed at the top. You can see this, we call it as a north pole, and this we call it as a south pole, isn't it? See here, and this we call it as an equator. Showing this diagram, seeing this diagram, we can see that it is not a round in shape, it is compressed at the top, bulged at the equator. So this is the shape of our earth, geoid shape. Okay. Yes, literally geoid means earth shape. We use this word for this context, so therefore we call it as a earth shaped or geoid shaped. You may question me, how can we say that it is a geoid shape? Why can't it be a round shape, sir? You may question. Yes. See here, when we say it is a round in shape, From the center point, if you go to the east or to the west or to the north or to the south, you will come with the same distance when it is round. But it is not a round in shape. The equatorial distance is more than the polar distance. I'll come again. The equatorial distance is more than the polar distance. So therefore, Earth is not in round shape, it is a shape of a geoid or a geoid shape. Yes. What is the equatorial diameter or the distance? The equatorial diameter of the Earth is 12,756 kilometers. I'll use this. Okay. This is equatorial diameter. Equatorial diameter is 12,756. 12,756. So this is the kilometers. This is the equatorial diameter. Coming to the polar diameter, it is 12,714. This is to the northern pole. This is polar diameter. 12,714. See the numerical numbers. It varies. It varies for almost 42 kilometers. There is a difference from equatorial diameter to the polar diameter, almost 42 kilometers. So therefore, this theory proves that Earth is not a round in shape, it is a geoid shape. Is it clear, dear boys? It's all about the shape of our Earth. Earth is a geoid shape. The equatorial diameter is almost 12,756 kilometer. Coming to the polar diameter, it is 12,714 kilometers. So these are the points that we need to keep in mind. And in my next class, I will continue with the same topic. Yes, this chapter is quite big, of course. Continue with the same concept, the Earth, our living planet. And in further class or in my future class, we shall have a discussion in detail about few more concepts under this chapter. And what you have to do. You should revise the whole thing, whatever the concepts that we are completing. And please download the textbook from KTBS, Karnataka State Textbook Society. If you type in your Google search, Karnataka State Textbook Society, there you will get our textbook, select the class and the medium as well as the subject. You will get all the subjects from that website. Download the topics that we are doing and please go through with that, and it will really helpful for you. Update your academics with all these words. Today we will end up this, and in my next class I will come out with another important topic. Thank you.